Yep, I'm going. Garv is raging.
Ivy League right here. This is just knowledge of physics. Knowledge of physics right here.
And I'm sorry, but I didn't.
He's gonna drink that whole beer in like 4 seconds.
What? And I said
That's for the film.
That's pretty good. That's like Slim Jim too.
Yeah, it could have been.
She goes.
Want me to do it multiple style? Hello, ladies.
That's
Don't
her
you drink like him? I bet you
What?
Okay.
Look up, at the beer. The beer is now in
huge hole in his mouth.
Shut up.
And
Why do you don't see Kozak?
Repping the Ivy League.
Kozak. Oh my god.
Watch this shit. There we go. 24 in the house. Ready when you are, Big Easy. Ready when you are. No.
Shotgunning.
Who else do I?
Like that's incredible.
That's
a lot of beer.
Yeah, it's a 24-ounce beer.
Shitload
Eat this shit.
Oh my
Look at this.
God.
Look at this shit. Look at it. Look at it. It is empty. It
nothing but
is
foam.
fucking empty.
It's foam, baby.
You haters on
You
YouTube,
don't drink
that
foam.
is
That's
fucking
foam.
empty.
Done.
No one else in this planet.
That's a lot of beer. I'm not gonna lie. That's actually
Is that a video, Nate? You're taking a
Dude.
video? I know
right?
what-
That is fucking empty.
I
See, a
vote
year
for-
ago,